The suspected human trafficker arrested for recruiting 22 Kenyans into the Russia-Ukraine war was on Friday arraigned before the Kahawa law courts in Kiambu. The investigators were granted 10 days to hold Edward Kamau Gituku as the hunt for other suspects continues. This is after it emerged that the suspect has been on a recruitment spree in employing Kenyans to join the Russia-Ukraine war as combats. KTN's Lennox Sengre with the details.
As per request, maybe we get a time span of 7 days.
Edward Kamau Gituku, who was arrested in Mavoko, Machakos County by the DCI over the suspected human trafficking, accused of luring Kenyans with promises of lucrative jobs in Russia, only for them to end up in Russian military and deployed to the front line in Ukraine, on Friday was a man under siege.
We currently are pursuing other persons that are involved in this case.
Kamau was arraigned before the Kahawa law courts, a terrorism-based court, where detectives sought for more days to detain him.
They are victims and we need to take care of them. We need to also involve the secretariat that takes care of victims.
The ODPP told the court that detectives raided the Great Walled Gardens in Athi River, where 22 Kenyans were found being processed for travel to Russia. Senior Principal Magistrate Mwanamkuu Sudi had that Kamau had rented several houses in the estate where he allegedly harbored the victims of human trafficking.
This is a matter of the Russians.
But Kamau's lead counsels Dunstan Omari and Cliff Ombeta vehemently defended their client, insisting he is innocent, accusing the investigating officer of denying him a proper legal representation.
What I'm sure about is that our client has not committed any known law in this country, because Kenyans are taken to Qatar, Kenyans are taken to Dubai, Kenyans are taken to Israel, Kenyans are taken all over to do work.
To ensure that he's brought to court and make sure that the advocates are not present to represent him, and we know that he's, by law he's required to also have an advocate, is also another gross violation of his rights.
The arrest comes just days after the case of 36-year-old distance runner Evans Kibet surfaced in Ukraine. Kibet is being held as a prisoner of war after allegedly being duped into joining the Russian army.
Didn't know it was a military job.
The main suspect in the alleged syndicate will remain in police custody for the next 10 days as detectives continue with the investigation. Lennox Sengre, KTN, Kahawa Law Courts, Kiambu County.
Days after